Hey everyone, Lenovo's new line of GeekPro desktop computers marks a strong step forward in the mid to high-end pre-built PC market, especially within the Chinese market. Launching on May 8th, the GeekPro desktops are built around Intel's latest Core Ultra 200S processors, a new generation of high-performance CPUs designed with both gamers and productivity users in mind. Lenovo is offering 3 variants, each aimed at different tiers of performance and price sensitivity. The base model, priced at about $908, starts strong with the Intel Core Ultra 725HX processor, which is paired with an RTX 30506GB graphics card. It includes 24 GB of RAM and a 512 GB SSD, making it a solid option for users who want smooth multitasking and respectable gaming capabilities without breaking the bank. For those needing more GPU power and storage, the mid-tier model upgrades the graphics to the newer RTX 5060 Ti-8GB and doubles the storage to a 1TB SSD while retaining the same Core Ultra 7 processor. This version costs around $1,238 and represents a strong value for those eyeing better ray tracing and AI-driven gaming features. The GPU in the higher-end models, the RTX 5060 Ti, is a noteworthy addition. With 4,608 CUDA cores and 8 GB of GDDR7 memory on a 128-bit bus, this card supports NVIDIA's DLSS 4 and offers AI performance rated at 759 TOPS. That level of power makes it particularly capable in current AAA games and professional tasks like 3D rendering and video editing. Design-wise, Lenovo has outfitted the entire GeekPro line in a 17-liter chassis that's not only compact, but also thoughtfully engineered. The 3D front panel design, hidden vents, and enhanced air duct system contribute to improved thermal performance. Aesthetics aren't ignored either, with customizable breathing lights adding a touch of personality. Inside, the machines support up to 32 GB of dual-channel DDR5,560 MHz memory and include dual PCIe 4.0 M2 slots with SSD heatsinks. Connectivity is another strong suit. The front panel includes USB 3.2 Gen 2x2, Type-C and USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-A ports for fast data transfers and easy access. Around the back, users will find USB 2.0, HDMI 2.1, DisplayPort 2.1, and a Gigabit Ethernet port, offering comprehensive support for peripherals and modern displays. Powering all configurations is a 500-watt platinum-rated power supply, ensuring stable performance under load. Each desktop comes with Windows 11 and Office Home Edition pre-installed, backed by a robust 3-year warranty that includes both online and door-to-door service, an important consideration for buyers wanting peace of mind. In summary, Lenovo's GeekPro desktop lineup stands out for its well-balanced performance, smart thermal design, and future-ready feature set. Whether you're a gamer, creator, or power user, these new models offer a compelling mix of Intel's and NVIDIA's latest tech in a thoughtfully designed package. Are you leaning toward any specific model or looking for advice on which configuration best suits your needs? Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Have a nice day and God bless you.